You struggling to generate traffic? Then I have a perfect solution for you. Did you know you are one click away from getting unlimited traffic and sales for a lifetime? If it sounds excites you, then listen up here. My team and I have developed new software for the last 6 months called Bridger. Introducing the world's first all-in-one multi-channel marketing app. Bridger allows you to get free traffic from multiple channels that have billions of users who are hungry to buy from you. Now, getting free buyer traffic has never been easier than before. We developed this software for beginners to get easy results. Now, you can start getting tons of free buyer traffic in 3 steps. Step number 1, purchase Bridger here now. Step number 2, select the types of traffic you want to receive. Step number 3, enjoy free buyer traffic and sales. With Bridger, you can send traffic to any link of your choice. It offers all-powerful tools like email marketing, search marketing, comparison marketing, SMS marketing, Facebook marketing, e-commerce messenger, social media posting, analytical marketing, and many other features. You can get everything to generate unlimited buyer traffic and unlimited income. The value you are getting, it's fair to charge $200. But we are making it affordable for anyone to get started. But hold on, that is not everything. We are also offering 5 fast action bonuses that help you get the best results with Bridger. Remember, you are covered with a 30 days money-back guarantee. So, it is totally risk-free and 100% money-back guarantee for you. Price increases every single minute. So click the below button and secure your copy now.